Follow your dreams, but never forget where you came from. Stay humble, be kind, and always strive to learn and grow.
Hi guys, so this is how you can create that talking head avatar just like the one you just watched with this free tool. Trust me, this app is absolutely free. They are not going to charge you any dime. Yes. Now we are going to generate that animation or that talking head video with just few steps. So number one is that we are going to go to ChatGPT and key in our prompt. Yes, we are going to go to ChatGPT and key in our prompt. So let's do that sharply. So I went to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to write a very short note advice of a mother to her daughter. Now, yes, I asked it to write a very short note. So this is what it came up with. So if you are not comfortable or if you are not satisfied with the one ChatGPT give you, you can go ahead and tell it to write another one. Yes, you can go ahead and tell it to write another one. The reason I tell you to write another one so that I can compare the both of them and see which one works well. So when it's done generating another one, I will just preview it. Okay, this one is very much okay. So I'll just go ahead and copy this and add it to my just copy. So for our image generation, we have to go to Copilot. Now I've made a detailed tutorial on how you can generate images from Copilot, and if you have not watched that video, please, after watching this one, you go ahead and go and watch that video. So I'll go ahead and key in my prompt. I'll go ahead and key in my prompt. I said this to generate an image of a very beautiful lady. Yes, an image of a very beautiful lady. So I'll just go ahead and key in my prompt. So after I'm done, this is what it came up with. Now I want to give a quick advice. Please make sure that the image that you want to use is facing the camera. Yes, there is a reason for that. It's facing the camera. So I'm using this image and this other image. So just make sure that any image that you are using is facing. So after I'm done, I'll head over to the app that I'll be using to complete this work. So head over to your browser and type in www.hedra.com. Yes, go to your browser and type in www.hedra.com and let's give it time to load. So this is what the interface looks like. This is what the interface looks like. Yes. So after we are done, so let's just go and preview what the interface look like. You can see you can do many things. You can swap face on this app. So I'll just go ahead and try out their feature, and let me just go ahead and sign in because you cannot use the app without signing in. So I'll just go ahead and sign in with my Google account. So let's do the necessary signing in with my Google account. So I'll have to blur this. So after I'm done, it will bring us to this interface. Let's allow it to load, and I'll click on agree. I'll check the box and click on agree, and then after that I'll click on create account. Yes, I'll click on create account. So after I'm done, it has bring us back to that interface. So now for us to be able to generate that animation or that talking head avatar. So when it comes to this box here, this second box, we'll go in and paste that prompt that we generated from ChatGPT. After that, we want to click on this right hand corner and select voices. So let's go ahead and play it and hear what it sounds like.
Government of the people, by the people, for the people shall not perish from the earth.
So I don't like this one. Let's go with Matilda and hear what her voice sounds like.
Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes.
I like this one. I think I'll go with this one. But there are many voices you can choose from, but I'll just go with this particular one. So let's swipe up to add the image that we have generated from Copilot. So on this place, we just click on this place and then click on photo library. Now we'll import those two pictures that we used, or those two pictures that we want to use for our project. So after importing them, I'll wait for some time and let the picture come up. So let's wait for some time. So this is it. Now you now swipe down to this place where you say generate video. Yes, we'll click on that to generate the animation, that word that we have key in. Let's wait for it to load and see what it comes up with. Let's wait for it to load. Yes, this is where the magic happens. So guys, please and please, if you have not subscribed to my videos, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. The plan is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month, and I'm still at 40. So please subscribe if you have not. So this is it. It's done generating the video. So let's click on it and preview it and hear what it sounds like. Let's click on it and preview it and hear what it sounds like. Let's give it time to load. Let's hear what it sounds like.
Follow your dreams, but never forget where you came from. Stay humble, be kind, and always strive to learn and grow.
Wow. So I'll just go ahead and save this to my device. So to save it, I'll just click on this arrow button down here. Click on it and it will say, do you want to download? Click on download and voila, it is saved to our device. So let's go ahead and hear what it sounds like.
Follow your dreams, but never forget where you came from. Stay humble, be kind, and always strive to learn and grow.